You're out in the gorgeous outdoors, snapping selfies, and suddenly your phone takes a nosedive, hits the ground, and now you've got yourself a spider web on your screen. Or perhaps, for one reason or another, your battery suddenly decides it's had it with you and gives up for good. However it happens, the feeling is the same. Breaking or damaging your phone to the point it becomes impossible to use is one of the cruelest feelings. We've seen it all. Shattered screens, stubborn charging ports, waterlogged phones, and batteries that might as well be bricks. It sucks, honestly, and it makes the simplest tasks feel impossible. Sometimes we'll put off a repair for any number of reasons. Maybe the repair itself is so expensive that it just doesn't feel worth it. Or maybe you just don't know who you can trust to do a good job on your device. Or perhaps you just think, it still kind of works, right? Thing is, though, a damaged device can sometimes be a bigger problem than we think, and not just because it makes simple everyday tasks a problem. A cracked screen, for instance, is not only an eyesore, but those tiny glass shards are just waiting to slice up your fingers. Also, the cracks allow dust and moisture to creep into the inner workings of your device, and soon your circuit boards and all sorts of things start acting up as well. Or maybe your battery only works for a few hours or even minutes before you have to plug it in again. You might as well not even have a phone. It could be any number of things. We had a client at LML Repair once, Jordan, whose iPhone 11 fell victim to our very first scenario, a slip, a crash, and a jigsaw puzzle of a screen. As many of us have done in the past, he put off his repair, assuming he'd grow into this new aesthetic. But a few splinters in his fingers and erratic touch responsiveness later, Jordan decided it was time to act, and we obliged. Once he explained his predicament, we jumped into action. We had to thoroughly inspect the phone to ensure the damage was limited to the screen. We found a few near-microscopic pieces of glass inside the phone, which may have caused more damage. Carefully and precisely, we took out the damaged display and the pieces of glass and replaced it with a brand new one. We then thoroughly tested the phone's touch sensitivity, its brightness, and its functionality to ensure it was working exactly as intended. The entire repair took less than 30 minutes. His iPhone went from hanging by a thread to sleek and fully functional, and he left us a glowing review saying, "My iPhone 11 was in good hands. I went in for a screen replacement, and in less than 30 minutes, it was fixed." Delaying a repair can lead to even bigger problems, like dust and moisture creeping into your phone or, yikes, sharp glass waiting to stab your fingers. Even if a repair seems expensive at first, it's better to do it as soon as possible because a bigger repair or a full replacement will naturally cost you even more. Fixing it early saves time, money, and frustration. Jordan's story is just one of many we've had the pleasure of delivering at LML Repair. Our fast repair services, skilled and dedicated technicians, high-quality parts, and lifetime warranty are just some of the reasons why LML Repair is the best gadget repair service in Seattle. Pay us a visit and let us turn your before into a jaw-dropping after.